Hello my lovelies and welcome back to AJ Ivy Games. I'm your host Ivy and today we are opening up one of these. So it's just a little tin that I was able to get. So it's quite cute. You can hear things in it. So it's called a Stack 'em High tin. It's meant to have 3 booster packs and 1 Pokemon coin in it. So this is just going to be a small little video on what we get from this one. So let's take the wrapping off and see what's going on. So cute little tin, very nice. So and we've got a Swabble coin, which is quite cute, very shiny. So adorable. And we've got 3 packs in here. We've got a Evolving Skies, a Chilling Rain, and a Vivid Voltage. So let's see what we get out of these. So what we'll do is let's go with the Chilling Rain because we've been getting some really cool stuff in this lately. So okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we've got Honey, Drizzle. How do you say that? Cybold? Cybold? I'm not entirely sure how to say that. Ghastly? I don't actually have a Ghastly, surprisingly. Poppings. Delibird. Farfetch'd. I don't have this artwork for Farfetch'd. Polygon. And what do we get? A reverse hollow cast form. Pretty. And oh, a Polygon Z in a rare hollow. That's nice. I like that. Look at that. Look at the shimmer on that. Okay, that's not too bad for a first lot. Let's move this down here. Move that there. Okay, next let's do Evolving Skies. So this is just going to be a small opening. I've got some really cool openings coming up, which involve the Leafeon V-Star and the Glaceon V-Star. So that'll be awesome when they arrive and I do openings for them. So can't wait to see what we get from those. Okay, we got Fire. Okay, oop, and upside down again. Dream Ball. I don't have a Dream Ball. What in the world is that? It's a Single Strike Scroll of the Fanged Dragon. That's pretty cool. A Boost Shake. I think I got one of those last time. I love Lotad. All I can image, like I've said this before, but I just have this image of when he swims, his just little tiny little beady legs go all the way along. Hitmonchan, Cutie Fly, Eevee, woo, Eevee, Lolito, and what do we get? Ooh, Lucky Ice Pop. And a reverse hollow and oh, nice. Noivern V. That's pretty cool. I like that one. I actually really like Noivern. So very happy with that. Okay. So last packet. Let's see what we get from this. Hopefully it's something good. So, metal. Oh, awesome! Charmeleon. Telescopic sight. Oh, I don't have that one. Got it. Got it. Oh, that's a cute Dedenne. Look at that. That's like a toy version of it. So, come on, focus on the Dedenne. That's cute. I like that. I don't have that one. Ocelot. And, ooh, a reverse hollow trumpet. That's cute. I like that one. And Berserker. So, not too bad. I'm happy with this. So 1 out of 3 is still pretty good, I think. And considering it's just one of those small collector's tins, I think it's a cute little pack. These would be really great for like gifts for like a kid who's starting out Pokemon collecting. So, because they get like the novelty coin and everything. So, thank you for watching. That's all for this video. Please like and subscribe and comment. And let me know if there's anything that I messed up with the names, or if you know the prices of any of these, if any of these are good that I wouldn't know about. Other than that, please check out Dark Raven's opening. She does Yu-Gi-Oh cards as well as Pokemon cards, so, and she knows a lot more about them than I do. Until next time, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!